Hello guys, good morning. So this is our next topic. Our previous discussion was about 8031B, which is the structure excavation for soft rock. Now we will going to analyze the hard rock. So just like before, we will assume that our quantity is 100 cubic meter. Then I will put the description here. Structure excavation for hard rock. So our assumed production for hard rock excavation is 4 cubic per meter per cubic meter per hour. So that is our structure excavation for hard rock. So we have no material for this one because this is only for excavation. So for our labor, we will put also description here. We will use the same labor. We will have construction foreman, which is 1, and we have unskilled labor. We need also 3, just like before. This our unit for this one is peso per hour. So this is peso per hour also here. Sorry, peso per hour, and for here is peso per cubic meter. This is the unit here for our structure excavation for hard rock. So our quantity, we'll just put it here. Take from this one, link only guys. So this is our labor for the structure excavation of dacium production, or 4 cubic meter per hour. So we will convert this one to per cubic meter. So we will sum product of this quantity to the rate, then we will divide it by 4, which is the assumed production, so that we can get the amount per cubic meter of this excavation. So that is 48.96. So we will multiply this rate to our quantity, which is 100 cubic meter. So we have 4,895.75 for 100 cubic meter of hard rock structure excavation. So for our equipment, we will link again our quantity here, and the same unit. Then we will use dump truck, backhoe, and we have breaker also, and we will use also minor tools for 10% of labor cost. So this one guys, dump truck, then backhoe. So as the same as before guys, this rate here is taken from labor cost. From here I just linked that one. If you follow my previous discussion, this is wait lang, this one is VLOOKUP for from that page, so that we can get immediately or directly from there to here. So this is VLOOKUP. We'll put here like this so that it will not come down. Okay, and this one also, this is already formula VLOOKUP. So this is peso per hour also, backhoe with breaker. So for our dump truck, just like the soft rock excavation and the common barrow, we have 2 dump trucks. Then for this one, we need only 0.25 hour of backhoe, but we need 0.75 hour for the back width for the breaker. So this is 0.75, and the labor cost 10% of this one, 0.1. Then this is the sum product of this one, so this one. So just be careful, guys, that you will not get directly from this one the total labor, because this is already for 100 cubic meter of excavation. We need only the the labor for the 4 cubic meter per hour excavation. So that's why we just get this labor here, the quantity and the rate. So this is the total sum product. So if we will get manually that one, guys, we will just multiply this one to here and this one the same as the, and we will get the total. So that is 195. This is the same, guys. See, that is how to get it manually. So here the same as from the labor computation, we need to sum product also for this quantity to the rate of the equipment. Then we will divide this one to 4 cubic meter, the assumed production, so that we can get the cubic meter, piso per cubic meter for our equipment. So this is 1185.6 peso per cubic meter. So if we need 400 cubic meter, multiply it to the rate of 100. So that is 118,560. So the total direct cost is the total of the labor and the equipment. This one 123, that is 4895 plus 118, that is 123,000. So if we get this one direct cost, we need only to divide this one to 100 cubic meters. So this is the unit direct cost. This is 1,234 per cubic meter. This one, guys, is per cubic meter. Per cubic meter. So for our indirect cost, we will take the same direct cost, 15% for OCM. Then for profit is 10%. We have 5% value added tax. So we will just multiply this one. So the total estimated direct cost is 1. Then the 10% also we'll multiply here. Then the 5% is included the OCM and the profit. So we will sum of these three divide by multiplied by the 5% of the tax, so that we can get the tax total. So it's 7,716. So our total indirect cost is 38,579. So the total cost of work item is work 162. This is the total cost, the indirect plus the direct cost, which is 123 plus 38, it's 162. So for unit cost of work item, meaning the unit cost including the indirect and direct cost, that is 1,620. This is only to divide this one, the total cost of work item, divided by the quantity, which is 100 cubic meters. So it is 1,620.36. So as you can remember, guys, that our soft rock excavation is only 452. This is our soft rock excavation, guys. So, and we have also for common soil, it is only 301 for our hard rock excavation is 1622 because our excavation production is only 4 cubic meter per hour. So this is all guys for now. Thank you, and please follow and like.